Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to change bio Twitter app. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop on Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting an Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime trial subscription link. You can find this link in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you how to change bio Twitter app. We'll start by opening up your Twitter app. When you arrive on this main screen right here, look on the upper left hand corner where you're going to see the three bars on the upper left hand corner. Tap on those three bars. When you tap those three bars, look for where it says profile and tap on profile right there, as you guys can see. When you tap on profile, then you will arrive on this main screen right here. Look on the upper right hand corner where it says edit profile. Right there, edit profile. Just tap there, edit profile. Then since you want to change your bio, make sure you know, like, see how I already had something there, like technology open doors. If you decided that you don't want that one, you can just delete it and put like anything else, as they say, like add a bio to profile. So I'm changing it. So I'm gonna just take this the new. I'm gonna just say like tech is a new job. I mean, that's how you change. So once you're done that, make sure that you look on the upper right hand corner where it says save and tap on save right there. Once you change it. So make sure you tap on save. When you tap on save, you arrive here and it's right there. Change tech is the new jobs. And that's how you change your bio Twitter app. If you have like any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find them in my video description. And thank you for watching.